back to my channel, everyone. So it is January the 6th. I'm currently driving over to Seaford to go and collect a Yamaha QT50. It's a 1988 plate one. If you don't know what they are, I'm going to put a pic here right now. I couldn't help myself. I just thought, you know what, I just fancy something just for a bit of a laugh. I love old retro things, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to buy this. I'm into my two strokes because a few years back I had like different mopeds and that, and I bored them out to 70 cc's, and I just thought by buying this it would just give me like something to do as a project, just a tiny project for a laugh, and also have a bit of fun in the summer with, because obviously the nice weather is not that far away now. It's probably what, another 3-4 months, so hopefully by then it will be a 70cc. it will be nicely bored out, all painted up, looking class and ready to roll. Right, here is the old girl, picked up the other night. Excuse the backdrop in here, it's in my garage which doesn't have any lighting, so I'm just sort of using my phone to put some light on the subject now. The bike does start and run. I tried it the other day. There is a few things that need sorting. Basically the indicators, these don't work at all. There's also the headlights apparently don't work. The air filter needs putting back on. As you can see there, it's sort of just completely missing from the carburettor, but it is in the back box. I've got a this back box is brilliant. It's got to come off though because it looks absolutely terrible. Obviously got the air box there, so I can get that back on at some point. We've got the wing mirrors in there. We've also got, I think that is the throttle cable, but just, yeah, a few bits. Now the weird thing is the bike has only done 4,351 miles. It last done its it last had its MOT back in I think it was March 2017, and it only done 70 miles less than that, and it passed. So there can't be that much really to get done in order to get it for another MOT. So what I'm going to do, because obviously I don't want to restore everything just yet until I get it for an MOT, because I want to see what else it fails on, if it does fail, and if there's any other advisories on it. Because if I restore it now and there's still going to be things, I don't know, brake pads or, you know, anything like that, tyres and things, I might as well just get it all done at the same time, just to make it a lot easier. So yeah, this is it. Pretty happy with it. I mean, it ain't the best looking bike ever, but I tell you what, I love a bit of a classic retro motor, whether it's a car or bike or whatever. I think it's pretty cool. So I'm quite excited to get it back up and running properly and get it through its MOT. And this is what I thought was quite funny. It's this way. Under here, put your oil there. That is your this is how retro it is. It's got like a fuel gauge there, which sort of like got a little leveling pin thing which goes left to right, so you can see how much fuel it's got. Proper old school. And obviously you put your fuel in there. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Can't wait to get it going. That's your filter cleaned. Right, it's freezing this morning. Have a look at this. Yeah, and then I want to go and fit this battery. Obviously you've got this little 6-volt 4-amp battery. The old one was a 2-amp one, but technology's moved on since the last one. So this should hopefully give it a bit more boost. And also the air filter. So that's going to be going on the bike in a minute. And then hopefully, all being well, the indicators will start working again, and also the headlights. Because if they do and everything starts firing up, I'm going to get it booked in for its MOT, so I can give it a proper road test and see exactly how the bike performs. Just dropped a new battery in. This one is actually a lot thicker than the old one. Looks like we've got a lot of oxidation or something going on inside of this connector strip. So this is for the positive on the bike. I'm going to cut that back, put a new terminal end on it, crimp it up, and yeah, I'm just hoping that we do get a runner. Right, battery's in there like swimwear. She fired up nice. indicators work, stop and tail works. The only thing that don't work is a headlight. I think it needs a new bulb. Air filter's back on. Just got to find a bolt for that because it ain't got one with it, so I need to find a bolt and then it should be secured. Managed to find a bolt. Just had one lying around in my fixings tray. That's why you should always keep old bolts if you can. Perfect. Right, started her up. Indicator seems to be working now. Perfect the rear. That's good. Brake light. Sweet, I think she's all good. The air filter's been put back on, so it's less smoky now. Let's put the choke, should be off. Just need to get a headlight bulb I think now, and then she's ready for an MOT. Right, I've just taken the headlight off. There's no bulb in there, so I just need to go and get a new bulb. And I think that'll be the final thing. Ready for the MOT then, can't wait. New bulb in, we've got power, look at that. We've got the light. See if the flick over. Yes, perfect. MOT ready. Just pop this cover back on as well. I can't wait to get this bike in for an MOT. The headlight's working. I've got everything done this morning, and I'm surprised how quickly I've managed to get things done. Just can't wait now. It's going to be on the road. Well, I've got the old girl in the back of the van behind me. She's gonna be going for her MOT. I did not expect to be turning it around this quick. I only bought it a couple of days ago, so she's gonna be roadworthy. I can go out and, you know, do a proper road test on it. Can't wait. Good news, she's passed the MOT. Seems to be running lovely. So happy with the result. I mean, how that passed an MOT is beyond me, just because of its age really. It's just incredible. But I've got to go and get myself a helmet and gloves, and hopefully I can take her for a little ride out this afternoon, see how she performs. But yeah, overall good news. It's only cost me £19 plus a little bit of my time to get it back on the road. And the MOT cost me just under £30, so I've spent pretty much 50 quid to get it back on the road, and my insurance for it is only 55 for the year. So overall it's just, yeah, it's a bargain in my eyes. Let me turn it off for a sec. I feel like I work for Just Eat or Deliveroo with this helmet on, but you can't get a full face helmet when you're riding a bicycle with an engine, can you? She's all taxed and insured. The tax bit surprised me. I thought it'd have been exempt, but apparently not. It's prior to 1980, so I paid 20 quid tax and the insurance was 55 quid. But yeah, we're all good now. I'm gonna put my camera on my helmet and then go for a spin. Oh, before we get going, I just want to say it actually rides so good. Like, it just feels comfy. It's actually quick. You wouldn't think it's an old bike. It's solid. That's why I love Japanese cars, bikes and everything like that. They're always like, I don't know, just good quality, aren't they? Right, to start her, she's just turn the key first. Just kickstart. It might need a little bit of throttle because it's cold. There we go. We're away. Right, I ain't got my helmet mount on me, so that ain't gonna happen today. Oh, I've got the wrist mount now. Tell you what, it's cold. You can't beat the freedom of a motorbike or a moped or a bicycle with an engine. It's class. I must say, I do like it. It's good fun. Especially when you get views like that, look. Shame it's the A27. Pull over for a minute. I'm actually kind of thinking people assume I've stole this. I mean, it looks like it could have been nicked. But trust me, it isn't. I'm fully legit. And one thing I must say is I'm surprised at how quickly I managed to get this on the road. I just didn't expect it, and a few things weren't, you know, that great on it. So managed to get it all done and get it MOT'd today, which is really handy, because without that I wouldn't be here now. So I've also got quite a few plans with this bike. I'm going to be stripping it back down to its bare frame at some point, because it's got quite a bit of surface rust. I want to restore it to a good condition, and also because it's only 50cc, I want to bore it out to a 70cc. So I'm going to upgrade the cylinder head and piston and stuff like that, and, you know, make a few modifications so it's a bit quicker, and also just make the bike look a lot nicer in time for the summer. I'm not too sure about what colour to go for yet. I'm thinking, you know, along the lines of grey, maybe even this blue again. I've got a few options in my mind, but it's just obviously trying to make sure the bike gets put back to a good standard more than anything. One thing I've just noticed here is a tax disc holder, which is obviously a waste of time now because you no longer need to carry them. But I do quite like the blue that it's originally had painted on it. So let me know in the comments below what colour you think I should spray this in, and also anyone watching this, let me know if you've had any experiences with these older 50cc's, because a lot of people used to know about the Honda ones as well. They used to do a Honda version, and a lot of people have said to me about them, but for some reason not many people talk about the Yamaha ones. I don't know what that's all about, but they're pretty much the same bike. So yeah, what I will do is I'll document as much as I can whilst I do restore this, but I'm probably going to do it over the course of 1 or 2 videos, because I don't want to bore people with content on this restoration process, because most of the work's going to be getting done in my garage, and my garage doesn't have any lighting in it, and also it's just got loads of stuff in there. So, you know, I'm going to try and do videos like this, and as I go I'll just do a little shoot and show you what mods I've made. But overall I'm really happy with it. I mean, good fun. I know it's not the best looking thing ever, but it's retro. That's what I like about it. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be doing another video again soon, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you all again soon.